Okay, so now I'm going to assemble this final shoulder strap, and basically this, if you look at the profile of this, it's not round, so that means it doesn't fit into this, the round part of the stem. It fits into this part here, somewhere along this area, according to the, also check the manual. And so I guess first we remove this wing nut, then we attach it here. I guess I would prefer to have it here as further away from the end as possible. I think both it's a strap is a separate purchase, but it's a loop that loops around and goes back and attaches here. It's a shoulder strap. So basically we put it here and then we reattach this wing nut over here. And this obviously can be adjusted its position, but for the most part once you adjust it you won't need to move it. So that's that, it's hooked up now. So that's that. This is obviously adjustable, the handle, so if you want to go from you know, trimming to edging, you just remove this lever like so, and you rotate this handle and you reattach it. Okay, so that assembles all parts of the mower. And this is the string that they supply, but I'm actually gonna, this is a twisted string, and the reason they have it colored in two colors is because each side of the color, each color goes on one side of the head when you're installing this with that power load feature. Okay, but I'm going to use this other string that I ordered on Amazon. I think it is quite it wasn't very expensive. It was the same 0.095 inch diameter, except instead of being twisted, this one is square. But I'm hoping it works just as well as a twisted one. This important thing is this size, this diameter is the same, 0.095 inch, as compared to what was supplied and what they suggest. So that was that. And other than that, the manuals that they supply seem adequate. This is just some kind of marketing material. This is the string trimmer manual, operating manual. Although the assembly was quite straightforward, I didn't even need to refer to this except just to see the position of where to install this shoulder strap hook. So that's the string trimmer manual. They supply a separate manual for the power charger, and I suppose this charger can be used for other batteries, if other 56-volt batteries that are used, and these batteries are probably compatible with other Ego products. So that's charger manual and the separate power battery manual. so that's good. And then what this is it's a warranty card. I think you have separate warranties for the tool and for the battery and charger, and I think you can also get an extended warranty. So the power equipment and the charger have a 5-year limited warranty for consumer use, personal and household use, and a 1-year limited warranty for any commercial, agricultural, or income producing use. I suppose it's used more heavily in the commercial area, that's why it's only 1 year, and 5 years for personal. And the batteries and chargers have a 3-year warranty for consumer, and they also have a commercial series of tools which has the same consumer warranty but 2 years of the professional use warranty, and so guess you got to register your product. So that's the manuals they supply. And then going and checking back on the battery, looks like the battery has finished charging. Nothing showing here on this battery LED, but 2 green lights here, which probably mean this, which is full charge. It's like both green lights are solid, so that's what this means. And I think it took maybe a little over an hour maybe to charge the remaining 75-80% of the battery that wasn't already charged when it arrived, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I guess the trimmer is ready for use now, and I'll post a separate video about my experiences with using this trimmer.